Israel says it has cut the electricity flow of the last facility in Gaza that was still receiving power from the Israel Electricity Corporation. I just signed an order for the immediate halt of electricity to the Gaza Strip, Israeli Energy Minister Eli Kochen said in a statement on Saturday, adding that the country would cooperate and operate all the tools that are for the disposal. Also, to ensure the return of all the hostages, we are making such steps. Israel cut off electricity supplies to the Gaza following the Hamas attack of October 7, 2023, in which more than 1,200 people were killed and 251 taken hostages. But the Israel Electricity Corporation, that is IEC, has since reconnected power to a wastewater treatment facility following a government directive. Also, a spokesperson from the IEC confirmed to the CNN and Millennium that today a directive was received to disconnect the electricity to the facility, and this was done. Hamas spokesperson Hazem Qasim also suggested the move that would have little and practical effect given to the earlier cutoffs. Also, however, we criticized it as the behavior that confirms the occupation intent to continue its genocidal war against Gaza, also through the use of the starvation policies. That is clear that the regard and the disregard of all international laws and norms have been upheld. Since the Israel launched its war on Hamas in Gaza in response to the October 7 attack, Gazans have relied largely on generators and solar power for electricity. Far-right Israeli politician Itamar Ben-Gvir welcomed the Energy Ministry's latest move and urged the government to go even further by targeting the fuel that had entered the enclave following the ceasefire and hostages deal agreed between Israel and Hamas. The Gaza Strip must be completely and immediately blacked out as long as even one Israeli hostage is being held there, he said. Also, Israel must bomb the huge fuel depot and also entered that the Strip as part of the unfortunate deal, as well as the generators operated by Hamas. The news come even as talks other than the fragile ceasefire and the hostages deal between the Israeli and Hamas can